Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents, and this is 149 Yeppoon Road. And two words come to mind when describing this property: town and country. Come and have a look at what this property has to offer. With 4 large bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, it is an ideal family home with lots of entertainment spaces for those times where you just want to get away for a minute. This beautiful home, set on well over an acre, has large entertainment spaces flowing from the kitchen onto this beautiful resort styles pool. The ideal space to enjoy time with family and friends. And with a large powered 4-bay shed. If you are looking for an acreage property outside of town, but still within 10 minutes of all the amenities you could need, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts at McGrath Estate Agents.